your lip. No? If it's a small kid, it's really devastating kung small kid. No? Talagang nakakataranta pagbata. You have to cover for the nose as well. No? Kung adult kasi mouth to mouth lang. Kung small kid, your mouth to kid's mouth and nose. Cover for the nose. Okay. Kung adult, pinch the nose, ganyan, and then head tilt, blow. When you blow, 1 full second, hindi yung, at tanggal ng blow. Hindi po yan balloon. Okay? 1 second lang. Hindi rin pwedeng, wala na, hindi rin. Ito. And then, release, para makalabas yung hangin. Tingnan mo yung chest. Alam mo if you're giving effective breathing, if the chest is rising. Okay? And then, second breath, ulit, ganyan. And then, go back to CPR. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,